Oh, something different.
So, our God is the faithful God. God is so faithful that his name is faithful. He is faithfulness. But what makes him so faithful? His nature. His nature allows him to be faithfulness. Why? One, he is omnipotent. He is all powerful. It means that there's nothing impossible to him. There is no chance of a failure of his power or an exhaustion of his power. So he can be absolutely faithful because there is nothing which he promised that he will never have the power or ability to do. Two, he is omnipresent. He is everywhere at the same time. So, again, he can be totally relied on because there will be no place that he needs to be that he isn't. He is wherever we are, wherever we are going, and wherever we are coming from. He is faithful. But three, he's also omniscient. He is all-knowing. There is nothing that takes him by surprise. There's nothing that he learns. He already knows everything. When he makes a promise, he knows everything that will impact the circumstances, the context, the subject. He knows what's happening now. He knows what will happen to the end of time. He sees our past, present, and future all in one look. So many times we make promises and commitments and find that we are unable to keep them because of new information, because of things we didn't know when we were making the commitment. But that cannot happen with our God. He already knows everything. And so even when in the moment it looks as if things can't work or something went wrong that would keep his promise from being fulfilled, don't be perturbed. He knew of all of that. He knew everything that would happen, including our stupid decisions. He knew it at the time he promised. And so he planned for it. And he can remain the faithful God. 4, he is eternal. From everlasting to everlasting, he is God. Therefore, he can be faithful, absolutely faithful, because he holds time in his hand. So nothing in time can affect or impact his ability to do and to be. He was in your past, he is in your present, and he's already in your future. You can trust him to be sure and certain and steadfast because he is eternal. And finally, 5, He never changes. Yes, He is a God who is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He does not change. So He can be absolutely faithful. There will never be a change in His disposition. There'll never be a change in His mentality. There'll never be a change in His thought processes. He never grows up. He never becomes mature. He is always what He is. And there is never a time that He was not what He is. And there will never be a time that He will not be what He is. Actually, He always is. Therefore, He is the pillar on which we can build. He is the sure foundation. He is indeed the faithful God. Because of His nature, because of His omnipotence, His omnipresence, His omniscience, the fact that He's eternal and never changes, He then is faithfulness personified. He is faithfulness itself. He is not just the faithful one. He is faithfulness. Our God, your God, is the faithful God. God bless you. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And for more, join us at 9 a.m. at 10 Union Square, Crossroads, Kingston, Jamaica. If you can't be there in person, join us virtually via YouTube Live.